So hey guys, so now I am going to create a new discovery pattern. So first time we are going to create a discovery pattern, right? So let's listen to this. Let's go to the discovery pattern. Here we can click new. It will be going into the new page. It's taking some time. So here is the options we have. Basic pattern architecture, orchestrator. Those kind of tabs are there. So in the basic tab, we can select the infrastructure as a pattern type. So we have the CI type name and the description, right? We can select the CI type as a firewall hardware. So this is a firewall hardware, which is a table name of CMDB underscore CI underscore firewall network. Uh, let's name this. Um, uh, let's name this discovery pattern as a Cisco firewall pattern. So this is a Cisco firewall pattern. The description can be, we can select anything. Pattern for the fix by 25 firewalls I can provide. So for this kind of things we should need to do it in the earlier section of the basic tab. So we can save this one. Bef yeah, let's see. If you save this, we can have this option called at least one identification section is required. So we should need to create one identification section without selection saving of this page. So let's create this one. So we can enter the name as a discovery. So order will be one. Let's name put it. So we can save now. So when a new discovery created, bind the pattern to the classifier after the initial save. So let's go to the SNMP. So in the SNMP we already created the Cisco Fix Firewall SNMP classification. Let's open it. So this one. So we can check under the trigger props. We have this edit option, right? So in the edit option, we can add the horizontal pattern prop to the trigger prop list. So then only then we can able to do the horizontal pattern. So we have added the horizontal pattern up in the trigger props. Base column to the identification now. So we can say this. We can provide the pattern, which pattern value we should need to provide. So those kind of things are very important. So we can select the pattern as a Cisco firewall pattern. So if we type Cisco, can have the many options. We can select this one. So we do have this phase of identification and a pattern of the Cisco firewall pattern. Once we do that, the horizontal pattern prop directs discovery to use the pattern to identify and explore a CA. Let's update that, and we can go to the discovery pattern again and open the Cisco firewall pattern. Let's click the debug mode. should need to be enabled now. So for this, we do have the particular IP address. We already um, make the credential validation or other things for that. So let's copy that IP address and paste it in here and connect it. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, that is connected now. So now we are going to create an operation as a set parameter value, and the value will be firewall and also name will be device type. So let's select it. So here is a device type. You just drag it and drop it. That's fine. So now the value firewall matches a choice for the device type column in the firewall hardware CA class. Let's save this. We can publish it now. We are going to do the discovery again. Now let's discover this one. Let's wait for some time and come. So now the discovery got completed. You can see the pattern launcher, right? Horizontal pattern probe has been executed now. So from the you can let's check the devices. In the devices, we can select this one. The CA has been showing in here, firewall hardware, right? So let's open this. So as mentioned in the discovery pattern, we can able to see the name as a firewall hardware, the device type as a firewall. So that's all today's video. So we had done some pattern designer from the scratch. Thank you for watching my video.